are creating a new process, it is always in the main page. So highlighting this blue light, it is always in the main page. Then in the main page, what is visible? There is a description box. Move the cursor, Shiva. Description box. Move the cursor to description box. So this is the description of your process, what you are given at the beginning, and these two stages are defaultly given in the page. These two stages are start and end. So any process that is created means that is to be in between start and end. So defaultly before creating any process, you should have start and stop, that is to be visible on the main page. So any page to be having these two stages actually. So this is about this area in the main page. Now see on the left hand side how many stages you have. Can anyone count that from pointer to resume? How many it is?
20, ma'am.
20, ma'am.
20. Yeah.
20.
By using these many number of stages, we are using the process. We are using the process for creating using all these two stages. Okay, let us discuss one by one. What is this? What is all these stages? So before seeing that, in the main page there should be only one start page. There should be only one start stage, and there should be n number of ends. Ends should not restricted. You should add more number of ends, but it should have only one start. That is the condition where Blue Prism is designed in order to implement the process creation. One start stage, n number of end stages. That is also one important point regarding the process. Then come to all the stages. Let us discuss one by one. Pointer. The first stage here is the pointer. So pointer is used to drag all the stages to the workspace. So main page is there na? That main page you have grid lines, like, is it visible to all? Grid lines is there, so that all the stages whatever you are having on the left side, that is to be dragged using pointer. That is the help of pointer. So Shiva, by you click on pointer and drag any stage to the main page, not link. I will explain link. Drag any, yeah, see, it is to be dragged like this. It is like a flow chart. Without pointer we can't drag. We can't drag. Okay, Shiva, is it you have any view option? You have to zoom. Shiva, at the top you have, I think, view option. You zoom your screen. Yeah. Okay. No issue. Okay, no problem. Leave it. So by using pointer, we have to take this. Then we have.
I'm sure I don't know.
What, ma?
Do it again, ma'am, by using pointer.
Using pointer. Okay. Click on pointer. Shiva, click on pointer. Then take any one stage, drag it to the workspace. Yeah. Move the pointer. That is creating one more page, or else take any loop or calculation part or decision. You just move it up. Without pointer, can you try? Shiva, can you try without pointer? No. You just click on again the pointer. Now you have to try. Is it comes? No. So it won't come. So once a pointer is to be clicked, then only it is to be come to the workspace. So that is the use of pointer. We have to drag and drop all the items, that is all the stages, to the workspace. Then come to link. Link is going to create a connection between two stages, or any connection between any stages. That is the purpose of link. Suppose, see, for example, start and end is there. How we are going to connect these? Any stage can be connected by using link. Shiva, click on link. Then connect start and end. Yeah. Move to middle, Shiva. Just drag it down completely. Move to middle. Yeah. No, 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 not like that. Not like that. Yeah, yeah. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Move to middle of that. Yeah. Middle of the symbol, you have to give it. So like that, we are connecting any two stages by using the link. Okay. Next we have block. So which is used for creating a block of statements. So in C we have statements like which is used, block is also used for creating a block of statements. Next, process. So we are already in one process. In order to create another process that is working under the main page, you have to use this process stage. Then we have page. In this space, we are defaultly in the main page. If you want to connect with another page, you just click on this page stage. That is use of page. Then action. So in this action, we are going to write the business logic. So suppose say for example, what is a robot should do? Suppose in order to open your Facebook link, I am given an action to a robot like open your Facebook by using this type of commands. So like that, action statements are all given in the action stage. Then come to the decision. So this decision can be used to take or can be used to specify whether it is yes or no. So like decision symbol in our flow chart, here also decision is having two outcomes, that is true or false or yes or no. So that is the decision statement. Then come to the choice. So like switch statement in the C language, you have choice here also. You have to take choice in between multiple decisions. Then calculation. So all mathematical calculations can be given in the calculation stage only. So you will not give any calculation part in the choice or in the decision or action. All the mathematical calculations can be performed in the calculation state. Then you have multi calculations. So this is same like calculation, but if you have more than one arithmetic expression or more than two arithmetic expressions, you can give the multi calculation. Then data item. So in the data item, by using data item, you should declare your variables. Declare your variables. Like see, before using any variable, you should be declared. Like our program, I am taken a as a variable. I need to initialize it, so that we have to declare all the variables before using it in the process by using data item. Okay. Then what is the next thing, Shiva? What is the next thing? Collections, right? Shiva, is it collection? Can anyone say is it collection or not? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Collection.
Yes. Yes. It is same as data, same as above one. But the difference is by using data item, you should initialize only one variable. By using collections, you should declare more number of variables. You should declare more number of variables. That is called as collections. Like see, int A, int B, int C I am given. Other than that, I am given int A, B, C in one stage. So like that, we have to declare more than one variable using the collections. Next is loop. Loop, for what purpose we are using? In order to perform repetitive tasks, we are using loop in the same fashion. Then what is the next one, Siva? After loop, what is the next one? I am unable to see.
Note, ma'am.
Note, ma'am.
So note is for writing comments. Like C language, we are writing comments. Now here also we are using note to write the comments. Next, anchor. It is like a circle symbol which is going to connect in a backward direction. Backward direction. So connections from start to end. So by using anchor, we are going to connect from back to front. That is the use of anchor. Then end. So you already shown that end symbol in your main page, which is going to end the process. Then alert. So which is alerting the messages whenever you have an error that is to be displayed on your screen. Then you have exception. So these are two types of exceptions. which are all unintended errors that can be generated by human or that can be generated by system. That is exceptions. Then recover. The exceptions can be raised at any moment, so it can be recovered by using recover stage. Finally, then resume. So resume can be used before because of exception. The process is stopped someday, so that you have to resume at particular moment by using the resume. Okay, this is the stages, various stages in the Blue Prism software, total of 20. Some student is asking action and pace. So, action. So, by using action, by using, wait a second. Siva, share your screen. Okay, by using actions, whatever the business logic you are writing, business logic means that is the idea that you are going to use to develop to the bot. Okay, so that's your idea that is to be implemented to the bot. Next, page. Suppose we are in main page. Defaultly, I need to create one more page that is to be connected with main page or not. In order to create multiple pages, we are going to use page stage. So this is all about the Process Studio and its stages. We can say all these are stages, 20 stages in the Process Studio. So we will use all the stages